Okay, so magandang araw po sa lahat. So malapit na naman po yung pasukan ngayong school year. And syempre, nagkaroon po tayo ng changes, ano? So from 4 consecutive quarters, so ngayon ay magkakaroon na lang tayo ng 3 terms, which is yun yung ating inaabangan kung ano yung mga gagawing training. So anyway, before that naman, so meron na din akong mga PPT or PowerPoint presentation na nakahanda. Itong sa grade 8, similar lang din naman yung PowerPoint last year. So medyo na-compress lang yung mga competencies kasi nga gagawing 3 terms. So ano ba yung mga covered topics? Ano ba yung mga covered topics natin dito sa term 1 ng grade 8? So similar lang din, starting from digestive system, ito po. Okay, sunod po sa atin is yung ating plant transport system. Sunod naman is pattern of inheritance, kasama ito sa genetics. And then yung ating predicting traits, the monohybrid and dihybrid. And then sunod na topic is yung taxonomy, classification system. Then yung ating classification of humans na topic. Okay, and then sunod dito naman is yung ating cycles in nature, photosynthesis. Kasunod nito ang ating cellular respiration. And then pwede na rin nating isingit dito yung ating cycles in nature, yung ating carbon, oxygen, and the water cycle. And then dito naman, okay, sa term 1, from biology, magja-jump tayo sa dalawang topics ng chemistry or science of materials, which is yung ating development of atomic theory and subatomic particles and structure. Nakasama po sila sa term 1. So, ibig sabihin, yung term 1 po natin is kinocompose ng whole topics ng bio and 2 topics ng chemistry or science of materials. So, kung ating titingnan yung ating BAW for term 1, ito po, from week 1 to 2, organ systems working together. So, dito po, kailangan nating madiscuss sa week 1 to 2 yung digestive system and plant transport system. Okay, kayo na pong bahala. So, sa week 1, digestive, and the week 2 is yung plant transport system. Sa heredity naman, week 3 yon, week 3 lamang. And we all know naman sa heredity or as a genetics or the heredity itself. So, dito sa genetics is alam naman natin na medyo mahaba to. Kasi, ang una is yung pattern of inheritance. We will introduce the topics or about genetics muna. And then we will jump, okay, sa Punnett square, the mono and dihybrid cross. So, it's up to you kung may natira pa kayong days dito sa week 1 to 2, pwede nyo nang simulan yung week 3 kasi medyo mahaba talaga yung week 3. Ano po? So, sa week 4 and 5 naman is taxonomy, taxonomy classification. Dito naman is 2 topics din. Okay, so ito yung medyo maikli lamang for me, medyo maikli. Okay, ang hahaba lang ito dun sa pagka-classify. So pero pag natapos natin ma-introduce yung mga phylum or the domain, the kingdom, the phylum, madali na lamang to. So, hindi hassle. Week 6 to 9, ito naman yung medyo mahaba kasi dito sa week 6 to 9, 2 topics lang, the photosynthesis and cellular respiration. Kasama na din yung cycles in nature, the water, the carbon and oxygen cycle. Pero, okay, so dito sa atin, sa photosynthesis, medyo mahaba din kasi yung yung actual process, i-explain natin. And then sa cellular respiration, same din po sa photosynthesis, explain din natin dito yung processes ng cellular respiration. Pero anyway, madali lamang naman ito. And for week number 10, doon na papasok yung first topic ng chemistry, which is yung development of atomic theory. Medyo mahaba to, pero kayang-kaya ng isang week. Okay, and then week 11, medyo maikli for me lamang ito, subatomic particles, kasi introduce mo lang naman yung subatomic particles yung tatlo, and then its structure, pwede nga isama mo na siya sa week 10 eh. Okay, matatouch din naman siya doon. Pero anyway, ayun nga, yun lamang po yung covered ng term 1 ng grade 8. At yung aking na-prepare pa lang po na materials is PowerPoint presentations pa lamang. Ito lamang po. Wala pa po akong DLL kasi sabi po is magbabago daw po ng format ng DLL. So, abang-abang na lang tayo. So, ang DLL naman po madali lang namang gawin. So, itong pinaka-inuna ko talaga, PowerPoint, kasi ito yung pinaka-mahirap gawin. So, anyway, if you want to avail, nandiyan po yung email ko sa ating preview. So, meron din sa description ng instruction. Pwede kayo mag-avail. So, thank you so much.